Okay, so the girls just got up from their nap and I'm going to show them a box that came.
Yeah.
You got a box, Ava, from Great Grandma. What's in there? There's something for you in there, okay?
Huh?
What is that?
My bear.
That's your bear?
Yeah. It's my bear. What about my box?
Here.
I want a book.
Yeah.
Bear. Hey, Mama, it's my bear.
That's so cute.
Yeah, it's my bear.
And Kayla got her book. Now what do you say? You say thank you, Great Grandma and
Thank
Papa?
you, Great Grandma and Papa.
Can you say thank you, Great Grandma and Papa?
Thank you, Papa. Please.
You
I can't do it.